Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. If you're new here, I'm your host Brian Parks. Today I've got a super helpful sewing hack to share. How to take up the legs on your jeans without losing that professional, original hem. You know, that thick, pre-washed finish we all love? You can totally keep it, and I'll show you how, step by step. Before we get into it, if you enjoy this content, be sure to give us a like below, as it really does help out the channel. Do it now please, and if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. And hey, if you love what we do here, be sure to share us with your friends. Let's get started. In addition to your jeans, you're going to need a few essential sewing tools, including some fabric scissors, clips or pins, a seam gauge or ruler, and of course, your sewing machine. But one of the most important elements to this method is a spool of thread that matches the color of your jeans. First, try on your jeans and decide how much shorter you need them to be. Let's say you want to take off 2 inches. Divide that number in half. That's how much we'll actually fold up. So for 2 inches off, we'll fold up just 1 inch. Next, pin or clip your hem in place. Be careful to match up the inseam on the cuff and the pants legs. It might seem common sense, but it's little details like this that make a big difference in the finished outcome. Now, this is where I turn to my friend, the zipper foot, to sew a straight line right next to the original hem. You'll want to get this as close as absolutely possible. Use a denim needle and matching thread, and go slow. Jeans are thick, so you'll want to take your time as you work your way around. And of course, don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end. Once you've sewn all the way around, fold that extra fabric back inside the pants leg. Try them on again to double check the length. Make sure you're absolutely happy with the length, because after this next step, there's no going back. Once we're absolutely certain we're happy with the length, use a pair of fabric shears or a rotary cutter to trim down the extra fabric. And we'll either take it over to the serger or use the overlock overcast foot to finish that raw edge to keep it neat and stop any fraying. And that's it. You've just hemmed your jeans without losing that original hem. Because, let's be honest, once you lose that original hem, you're not getting it back. And jeans just aren't jeans without it. And as you can see, nobody will ever be able to tell the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell icon for more sewing tips, tricks, and hacks. I'm Brian Parks for Parks Crafty Creations. We'll see you next time.